To begin with, a card reader is a device that connects to the port of a computer or a laptop and lets you upload images, video files from memory cards without the need to connect the camera to the computer. In a quest to build slim laptops and mobiles, the built-in SD card slot is becoming obsolete in many Apple devices. However, using an SD card reader can make accessing and transferring of data between a growing number of digital devices effortless. Check out some of our recommendations of micro SD card readers for your Apple devices. Share your photos and videos of your camera on your social network handle easily, using the micro SD card reader. The SD card reader for iPhone is compatible with secure digital memory card and TF card, mini and micro SD card, and supports SD card capacity less than 256 GB opening parenthesis including 256 GB. The micro is a great card reader, especially when traveling. You can transfer music or videos onto your SD card before traveling, then plug and play. The card reader has a sturdy build, making it an ideal grab-and-go device. It also comes with a cable wire that gives you room to use other computer ports while it's plugged in. Li-Fi access iOS microSD card reader can be your easiest access to all your precious photos and videos. The unique J-shaped design of Li-Fi access is versatile to work with your iOS devices and their protective cases. The tiny device uses mobile memory app and offers more functionality like music and movie playback, photo backup, taking photos and shooting videos directly to the micro SD card. Moreover, it supports microSD cards up to 128 GB formatted in FAT32 and exFAT. Once you've found something you want to save and share, the smart clipping feature allows you to choose default or custom time lengths. Once selected, the section will also be highlighted below in the timeline to show you what you've already saved. The GeekGo SD card reader is one of the most versatile SD microSD card readers in the market right now. The card reader is fitted with 4 interfaces, a USB-C, a USB-A for computers, a micro USB for Android phones with OTG function, and an adapter for iOS devices. You can plug the reader into your phone or tablet while capturing photos or recording videos for extra storage capacity. The card reader supports plug and play for all devices except for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod. For those, you will need to download USB Pro, a free data management app from the App Store. The brand Conker 4-in-1 OTG card reader features a Lightning connector for iOS devices, micro USB connector for Android devices, USB connector for computers and Macs, and the Type-C connector for all Type-C devices. The write and read speed offered by the brand Conker card reader is remarkable, considering that you can transfer 128 GB of data in just minutes. The Lightning device users must download a free storage app named USB Pro before using it. The Cable's Cloud Micro SD card reader is a convenient 4-inch-1 SD card reader that is small and easy to carry. This SD card reader is thoughtfully designed for USB-C, Type-C/Lightning/micro USB/USB connector. The device automatically records your photos and videos to flash drive directly for external memory expansion and quickly frees up memory on your phone. The card reader offers a USB 3.0 enabled data transfer at up to 5 Gbps for faster sync times and is backward compatible with USB 2.0, 1.1. Also, the model is compact, with no integrated cable, making it small enough to be carried around in your pocket. So friends, this is the whole story of Lightning SD card reader for iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices. Expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.